Welcome to this video series, Percentage and Playtime. In this lesson, you'll learn how to convert numbers to percentages. Now, a percentage is a measurement used for describing a portion of a whole amount. Percentage means out of 100. Now, if we were to convert a number to a percentage, all we need to do is firstly convert it to its decimal form and then multiply it by 100. Consider the number 0.35. To convert this into a percentage, all we need to do is say 0.35 and multiply it by 100%. Performing this calculation, I say up we come to the calculator and type in 0.35 multiplied by 100, and lo and behold it equals 35. So what I do is I write 35%, and that's my conversion there. I've converted 0.35 into 35%. Next I have 0.732, so I write 0.732 multiplied by 100%. Using my calculator once again, I say 0.732 multiplied by 100 gives me 73.2. So I can simply say that the result is 73.2%. Every time I multiply by 100%, I convert it into a percentage. It's a percentage because it's got the percent symbol here. Next I have 1.55. Again, all I need to do is say 1.55 multiplied by 100%. And that's equal to, or up we come, 1.55 times 100 equals 155%. Just like that. Next, we turn our attention to something slightly more vexing. We have 1/2. The difference here being is up here we had decimals, now we got fractions. What we're going to do is firstly we're going to convert this into a decimal. So I'll say 1/2 times 100%. And that's going to convert into, up we come to the calculator, 1/2 equals 0.5. So I go over and I write 0.5 times the 100%. I drop my equal sign, and by convention what I know is I'm simply going to shift the decimal place 2 places back. So 0.5 becomes 50%. Verifying that this is indeed correct, what I'm going to do is I'll go 0.5, so 0.5 times 100 indeed equals 50%. Next, 5/4. I set myself up for success by rewriting it. 5/4 times 100% equals, up we come, 5/4 equals 1.25. 1.25 times 100 equals 125%. So 1.25 times 100% equals 125%. I always show my working out to show that I know what I'm doing. Next, 2/3. Go 2/3 times 100%. That's going to equal, up we come, 2/3 equals, and what we have is a recurring decimal. What we're going to do is we'll simply multiply this by 100%. Oops. 0.66666667 times 100%, and then I'm going to round it to do the 2 decimal places. So I've got 666. This one's a 6, so it's going to round up, so 66.67. So that all equals 66.67%. And thus we have completed our examples of how we convert decimal and fractions into percentages.